Good morning, my all dear class 12th B students. Here I am with a new chapter called Capital and Revenue Items, or Capital and Revenue Expenditure, or Capital and Revenue Incomes. Let me tell you that this is the you can say that an very important chapter of your accounts. In this chapter you will get theory as well as some practical, but the practical question of this chapter are also belong to theory part. So first of all, let me tell you that what is expenditure and what is receipt. What is expenditure and what is receipt? Expenditure means expenses, means when we spend something, when we do any type of expenses, that will be called expenditure. And receipt means when we receive something, when we receive from outsider, it will called receipts. So let me tell you that what is capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. In capital expenditure, an expenditure which is incurred in acquiring or increasing the value of fixed asset is termed as capital expenditure. Means all those expenses which are done by us to purchase a fixed asset, like if we are purchasing a machinery, if we are purchasing some building, if we are purchasing any you can say long term stock, so that all are called fixed asset, and that is called capital expenditure. Okay, so as such the amount is spent on this purchase of building, machinery, plant, frame, the way I was talking about, hence this is called capital expenditure. Now, expenditure which result in the acquisition, there are some characteristics of that. Examples means when we purchase any type of asset. Other thing, expenditure in connection with the purchase of erection. When we do any type of erection or installation expenses on the purchase of fixed asset, that will also be called capital expenditure. Capital expenditure which result in the extension or improvement of fixed asset. If we are improving any fixed asset, if we have a house of one floor and we are building one more floor, it will also be called capital expenditure. Next, capital expenditure incurred for establishment of business. When we are starting a new business, at that time the expenses which are being done by us are called capital expenditure. Now, interest on capital, it will also be known as capital expenditure. Expenditure incurred on the purchase of second hand asset, whether it's second hand or a new asset, it will also called capital expenditure. Now, revenue items. Revenue expenditure is the expenditure benefits of which is consumed or exhausted within the accounting period. Means those expenses which will be written off in only a year. Means those expenditures which will help us, which will favor us in only 1 year. Next year we have to do that expenses again. Revenue means recurring. Recurring means that expenses which are done by us on day-to-day basis, or on monthly and or yearly. Means they are short-term expenses. Revenue expenses are short-term expenses. Means first of all day-to-day running business, then repairs, maintenance are called revenue expenditures. Then expenditure incurred on purchase of stock, material, they will be called revenue. Depreciation, revenue expenditure. Okay. Now, revenue expenditure is accounted as the expenses and the matched against the revenue items. Okay. On revenue items, the expenses are done. Now, following expenses appears to be revenue, but they are capital expenses. There are few expenses which we think that are of revenue nature, but they are of capital nature. Like purchase of an old building, since these expenditure are okay, as we have already discussed. Wages of a machinery, okay, expenses on purchase of land and building, so they all will be called capital nature. Now let me directly tell you the differences between capital and revenue nature expenditure. Purpose. The purpose of capital expenditure is incurred for acquisition of fixed asset, and it will help us to run the business. Revenue expenditure. Capacity. It increases earning capacity of the business, but it incurred for earning profit. Okay. Its benefit extend to more than 1 year, but its benefit is exhausted within the year. After 1 year, we have to do the expense again in revenue nature. Recording, it is debited to related asset and it will be debited to expense account. It's an asset, it's an expenses. It will be shown in the balance sheet, it will be shown in trading or profit and loss account. Example, cost of machine, land, building, furniture, etc. Depreciation on machine, rent, repairs, all will be called revenue expenditure. Okay, so now from the next video we will discuss the illustration problem of this chapter. Till then, keep trying to learn the theory part of this chapter, and if you have any doubts or query you can ask. We are always there to help you out in all your needs. Till then, bye bye students.